Okay, this is my fence garden that my girlfriend and I seen up in North Carolina, South Carolina border on a trip to West Virginia, and we liked it so much that we actually put one in our front yard. You'll have to excuse the bounciness of the camera because it's just a Kodak EasyShare camera. It's not one of those nice video cameras. And as you can see, I haven't put any mulch down yet, only around the trees because yeah, I'm working on it. Not much money, just had enough to build this thing, which we spend a lot of time out here now, since we did. And these are my sunflower seeds that I planted. Actually, this area was full of Johnson grass, and sorry about the cars. Actually, this area is full of Johnson grass and weeds and vines and stuff, and you can still see a couple of them. But I carried 4 wheelbarrows full of roots to the backyard, and actually I'm quite happy with the results. Not using any poisons or anything, just maybe some vinegar, you know, and I also removed a bunch of bushes, shrubs from the side of the house. And these are all the perennials and annuals that we had planted, and a couple palm trees. Things are really starting to wake up and go towards the back here. The ground was really hard. I think concrete would be a little softer. And here is my little garden. Not much of a garden, but I was late putting this in. This has only been in a couple of months. Thankfully, our June weather was really raining, so that being said, and now we'll go to the backyard where I have some compost piles. One is branches, one is shrub stuff, and the other is leaves and such. They cleared all the woods beside my house. I don't know what they're doing over there, but I hope they're not doing much. And this is my daughter's dog. His name is Leo, but I call him Paco. It doesn't make much sense to have a Mexican descent dog called Leo, so I call him Paco. My 120-pound shepherd, she's inside the house enjoying the air conditioner. Usually she runs the backyard, but she's trying to keep cool in this heat we've been having. Anyway, and my pear tree, and then my peach tree, and then my apple tree.